Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's make seafood okra. So I have a lot of ingredients here. I have my stockfish, snail, okra, periwinkle. I actually don't know the name of this, but it's actually a seafood. So if you know the name, leave it in the comment section. I have prawns, I have onion, I have uziza leaf, I have ogbono, and I have fresh pepper and crayfish blended, and I have my catfish. So let's go and start cooking. So let's start by seasoning the fish. So we're going to add some onion, salt, some ginger and garlic spice, but this is optional. I like to add a little bit of pepper, it's also optional. And stock cube, I'm using Knorr, feel free to use any stock cube of your choice. I'm going to add a little bit of water. And let it cook. After 5-10 minutes, I'm going to remove the fish. Remember, it's fish, so that it doesn't scatter. The idea is to get it to be flavorful in the soup. So I have the stockfish and the snail. I'm still going to add it into the soup and let it cook for at least another 10 minutes. So in a pan, you're going to add your oil. I'm going to add locust beans. This will amplify the flavor of this oil and give the soup a very good taste. So we're going to fry for at least 2 minutes. So I'm adding my pepper blend now. So I have my pepper and just 2 bulbs of tomato, but the tomato is very optional. So I'm going to cover and let it come to a boil. That should be 10 to 8 minutes. So I'm adding my ogbono now. So I added the ogbono and the meat stock. So I'm also adding the shrimp, all the seafood at the same time, because okra doesn't take time to get cooked. So at this point, you're going to add all your seasoning, taste for salt, and leave it to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Add my snails. I'm going to cover and let it cook for Let it come to a boil, add the fish, and the soup is ready. So we don't cover totally, you cover leaving it open a little bit. So we're going to add the fish now. We're going to finish it off with our uziza leaf. Gradually stir. Remember, we don't want the fish to break. So we're going to let it cook for another 2 minutes and the soup is ready.